Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an essential topic to discuss: creating a financial budget. Whether you're a student, working professional, or someone who wants to manage their finances better, having a budget is crucial for achieving your financial goals. So, in this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of creating an effective financial budget. Let's dive in. Part 1. Understanding your income and expenses. The first step in making a financial budget is to understand your income and expenses. Take a moment to list down all your sources of income, such as your salary, freelance earnings, or any passive income you receive. Next, gather all your expense information. Categorize your expenses into fixed and variable. Fixed expenses include rent, mortgage, utilities, and insurance, while variable expenses are things like groceries, entertainment, and shopping. Part 2. Setting financial goals. Now that you have a clear picture of your income and expenses, it's time to set your financial goals. Your goals could be short-term, like saving for a vacation, or long-term, like buying a house or retirement planning. Make sure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Smart. This way, you can track your progress and stay motivated. Part 3. Creating the budget. Let's move on to the exciting part: creating the budget. Start by listing all your income at the top of the page. Next, allocate your income to different expense categories. Begin with the fixed expenses and subtract them from your total income. Then, allocate a reasonable amount for each variable expense category. Be realistic when setting the amounts for variable expenses. It's okay to enjoy some leisure activities, but keep it within your means to avoid overspending. Remember to include a category for savings and investments. Treat savings as a non-negotiable expense to ensure you're consistently building your financial security. If your expenses exceed your income, you might need to reevaluate your budget. Look for areas where you can cut back or find ways to increase your income. Part 4. Tracking and adjusting. Congratulations! You have your budget in place. But it doesn't end here. To make your budget effective, you must track your spending regularly. There are various budgeting apps and tools available that can help you track your expenses effortlessly. Alternatively, you can use a simple spreadsheet to manually record your transactions. At the end of each month, compare your actual spending with your budgeted amounts. Identify any discrepancies and make adjustments accordingly. Remember, a budget is a flexible tool. Life changes, and so will your financial situation. Adjust your budget as needed to stay on track with your goals. Part 5. Sticking to your budget. Sticking to a budget requires discipline and commitment. Avoid impulse purchases and stay mindful of your financial goals. If you encounter unexpected expenses, try to reallocate funds from non-essential categories rather than dipping into your savings. Find ways to make budgeting fun and rewarding. Celebrate your milestones and progress toward your goals. Conclusion. And there you have it, a complete guide on creating a financial budget. Remember, budgeting is not about restricting yourself. It's about gaining control of your finances and working towards a better financial future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, let us know in the comments below if you have any budgeting tips or questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay financially savvy.